How to set up BitLocker encryption policy on Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your search bar, then go to edit group policy. Now, go to computer configuration, then go to administrative templates. After that, go to Windows components and then go to BitLocker drive encryption. From here, go to operating system drives. Now, go to require additional authentication at startup. Now, this will appear. Simply tap on enable and then apply it. After that, all you have to do is go to your settings and then password and security. Set up encryption password for BitLocker and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.